Well, here we have the FY66. I've had to repair both wheels on the back, which are the new replacement wheels, very soft plastic wheels, and here's why. Now these are the two front wheels, as you can see, that also now have to be repaired. I've only run them for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so on easy ground, nothing difficult, and this is what happens. If you look now, you can see where it's splitting, start to split on the joints of the hexagon, and also looking at the front, if you can see this, we'll have a look. The soft plastic is so soft that the screw actually just goes straight through the aperture of the wheel. So what ends up happening is the wheel ends up falling off. So what I have to do with that, I have to put a small fibre washer on and glue it in place. Anything to stop the screw from going straight through the soft plastic wheel, which is very disappointing for a nice looking wheel. The tyres themselves are like averagely soft, and again this one, they're starting to crack. Yeah, you can see the lines on the corners, that fine hairline cracks, so you can see that here. Where is it? They're starting to crack here. There's a crack there, crack up there, which is just about to see that. On the other one, you can see it more clearly. Yeah, look at that. Awful, isn't it, really? So I'm going to have to super glue them, then put cable ties, two small cable ties around them to hold them in place so they don't spread open again and fall off.